guys, good morning. My name is Mark Anton T. Materias, and today we're gonna discuss about organic agriculture. So when it comes to our mind, what is organic agriculture? So organic agriculture is a farming system that relies on natural process and ecological balance rather than synthetic inputs such as chemical, fertilizer, pesticides, and genetically modified organic or we call GMOs. So it promotes soil health, biodiversity, and sustainability by using organic fertilizers, crop rotation, composting, biological pest control, and other eco-friendly techniques. So we have here four types of principle of organic agriculture, which is health, ecology, fairness, and care. So first is health. So health maintains and enhance the health of soil, plants, animals, humans, and the planet. And number two is ecology. So ecology works with natural ecosystem rather than disrupting them. And third is fairness. So fairness ensures quality, equity, and the supply chain benefiting farmers, consumers, and the environment. So lastly is care. So care uses precautionary approach to protect future generation and maintain sustainability. So let's proceed to the importance of organic agriculture. So first is soil health and fertility. Soil health and fertility. Organic farming enhances soil structure and improves microbial activity through composting, green manure, and cover crops. By avoiding synthetic chemical, organic farming prevents soil degradation and erosion leading to long-term fertility. So second is environmental sustainability. So environmental sustainability, organic agriculture reduce pollution by avoiding synthetic pesticides and fertilizers that contaminate water source. It also minimizes greenhouse gas emission by promoting carbon segregation in the soil and reducing the reliance of fossil fuel-based inputs. Third is biodiversity and ecosystem balance. So, biodiversity and ecosystem balance, organic farming supports biodiversity by maintaining diverse plant and animal species in the ecosystem. Practices such as intercropping, agroforestry, and natural pest control help preserve pollinators, beneficial insects, and wildlife. And fourth is human health and food safety. So human health and food safety. Organic foods are free from synthetic pesticides, hormones, and antibiotics, reducing the risk of chemical exposure. Studies suggest that organic produce often contains higher levels of essentials, nutrients, and antioxidants, contributing to better health. So, lastly is economic and social benefits for farmer. So, organic farming provides economic opportunities by meeting the growing consumer demand for organic products. It can also increase farmers' incomes through premium pricing and access to international markets. Additionally, organic farming fosters rural development and strengthens local communities by promoting sustainable livelihoods. So here are examples of organic farming practices. So first is crop rotation. So crop rotation, alternating crops to prevent soil nutrient and depletion and pest build-up. So second is composting. So composting recycling organic waste into nutrient-rich compost for soil enrichment. And third is biological pest control. Biological pest control using natural predators or like ladybugs, birds to control pests. And fourth is cover cropping. So cover cropping, growing cover crops like clover to prevent soil erosion and improve fertility. And fifth is mulching. So mulching, using organic mulch to retain soil moisture and surface weeds. Six is agroforestry. So agroforestry, integrating trees with crops and livestock for a sustainable system. And last is no-till farming. No-till farming, reducing soil disturbance to enhance the soil health and carbon storage. And that's all. Thank you.